Hi, I'm Heather Zakanini.
And I'm Bob Mihelich. We are the co-chairs of the Applied Technology Department. Our department offers associate degrees in construction management, engineering technology, and manufacturing management, as well as several certificates such as welding, CNC machining, architectural and engineering design technology, and industrial maintenance.
All the instructors in the Applied Technology Department bring industry knowledge and experience into the classroom. From hands-on technology like welding or machining, or computer-aided design tools, to management of people in industry, the instructors in Applied Technology bring real world into the learning experience.
Students often complete a certificate and enter the workforce, gaining experience and confidence. Many students then continue on to complete a degree, broadening their opportunities. All certificate coursework may be used towards a degree, so you are always moving forward towards your future goals.
Opportunities are varied and abundant in the fields of construction and manufacturing. Depending on the program, students are prepared for jobs in welding, machining, computer-aided design and drafting. The management degrees prepare students for work in supervision and management positions in the construction and manufacturing industries.
Engineering technology graduates have multiple career options in areas such as quality, design, R&D, project management, and beyond.